I hope everyone is doing great. So here is a simple AppleScript to bulk rename multiple files on Mac based on modification date. So here are a few things. Let me explain. Uh, as you can see, this is set include subfolder. This means that if you want to rename files just in main folder, or you want to rename all the files including subfolder. If you set it to true, this will get files from subfolder and rename them. And if you set it to false, then it won't get the files from subfolder. Then this is the date name separator, like how a file should be renamed. Like if we say here, check here, this is test.txt. So as this is the separator, this means that it will be renamed as test underscore date.txt. So whatever you set here will be used as separator between the file name, original file name, and the modification date. So let's say if we put space, then this will be like this. So like whatever you put here will be used as a separator for the file original name and the modification date. This is the date separator. This means that how date should be separated, like 2023 06 and 11, like year, month, and date. If you used anything else, let's say you use something else, like if you use like this, then date will be like this. After this, when you run it, uh, it will ask you to choose folder. Let's say I choose this same folder, and when I click choose, each file gets renamed with the date, with the modification date. So this is the simple script. Do let me know if you got any question, or if you want to suggest some other way, like if you got any ideas that you want AppleScript for. Do let me know. I try to create in next video. Thank you.